Unraveling the Mystery, Understanding, Beware. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. In today's episode, we are going to delve into a phrase that you might have come across in books, movies, or even signboards: beware. This word carries a lot of weight and is crucial in warning scenarios. So, buckle up as we unravel the mystery behind this powerful phrase. Beware is a verb that stands alone as a complete instruction or command. It derives from the Old English be war, meaning be cautious or be on guard. When someone says or writes beware, they are telling you to be alert and careful because there might be danger or trouble ahead. It's a warning to prevent harm or to avoid making a mistake. Beware can be used in various contexts. It can stand alone as a complete sentence, for example, beware, or it can be followed by a direct object, telling you specifically what to be careful of, such as, beware of the dog, beware of slippery floors, beware of fake news. It's often seen on signs or warnings, and it's used to quickly grab attention and convey a serious message. Let's look at some examples to understand how beware is used in different contexts. In a story or novel, she whispered, beware of the witch in the woods. She is not as kind as she seems. In a movie, a character might shout, beware, before a dangerous scene unfolds. On a signboard, beware of falling rocks on a mountainous road. Sometimes, learners of English might get confused and use beware in a way that native speakers wouldn't. Here are some things to avoid. Don't use beware with to. For example, don't say beware to walk on the ice. Instead, say beware of walking on the ice. Don't use beware in a passive voice because it is already a command. So, don't say the ice is to be bewared of. So, there you have it. The word beware is a powerful and concise way to issue a warning or bring attention to potential danger. Remember, it's all about keeping safe and staying alert. We hope this video has helped clarify the use of beware for you. Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, happy studying.